Vivo has once again demonstrated its leadership in mobile photography with the latest portrait samples from the Vivo X200 Ultra. Han Boixiao, product manager at Vivo Communication Technology Company Limited, unveiled the Zeiss full focal length portrait capabilities of the device, showcasing its exceptional imaging technology. The Vivo X200 Ultra camera setup is simply next level, starting with the main camera that boasts a 50MP resolution, powered by the LYT-818 sensor with a size of 1/1.28 inches, and equipped with optical image stabilization and support for 4K 120fps video recording. The ultra-wide-angle camera shares the same 50MP LYT-818 sensor with identical size and functionality, offering a 35mm focal length, perfect for cinematic compositions. But what really sets this phone apart is its jaw-dropping 200MP periscope telephoto camera using the HP9X sensor at 1/1.4 inches and an 85mm focal length, delivering OIS, 4K 120fps video, and superlight prism technology that's bound to change mobile zoom forever. Additional imaging enhancements include the powerful Vivo VS1 and V3 Plus imaging chips, developed in collaboration with Zeiss for unmatched hardware-software synergy. There's also the all-new Zeiss Tone Filter, which enhances skin tones and contrast in real time, and a brand new camera button for lightning-fast access to the camera app. What makes the Vivo X200 Ultra truly extraordinary is its ability to simulate 4 professional-grade portrait focal lengths: 35mm, 50mm, 85mm, and 135mm. The 35mm and 85mm focal lengths are equipped with the top-tier sensors, enabling stunning improvements in natural background blur and impressive detail, especially in complex areas like hair strands and facial features. The 135mm focal length is where things get truly magical, providing the kind of facial detail capture typically reserved for DSLR-grade lenses, making this phone a game-changer for content creators, mobile photographers, and everyday users alike. The sample shots released so far clearly highlight the phone's ability to produce lifelike skin textures, precise lighting control, and incredibly shallow depth of field for that true professional portrait effect, straight from your pocket. With Vivo pushing the boundaries in imaging with the X200 Ultra, the competition in mobile photography just got a serious wake-up call. And if you're someone who values photography that doesn't just look good but feels cinematic, this might just be the most exciting phone release of the year. Stay tuned for more cutting-edge mobile camera tech, only here on TechVerse.